Brynlee, are you riding your bike? Big
Yeah.
girl. Look at you, and you don't even need any day's help, do you?
Something's going on. Too hard to get up.
Here, put your bike back. Put your foot back on the pedal. I'll give you a little shove.
No, get me a big shove so it does not get off the bed.
All right, here we go. Ready? Pedal, 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 pedal.
No, not a big.
Oh, you want a bigger push?
Yeah.
All right, but you got to pedal when I start pushing. Now pedal. There you go. Keep pedaling. You got it. It's all you, baby. Keep it on the road. Yep, you got to keep your eyes up in front of you. Oh.
Little push.
All right, here. Ready?
Not a big push.
All right, keep pedaling. Keep it on the road. Look where you're going. Don't go off the road. You got to pedal. Keep pedaling. Pedal, pedal, pedal. There you go. There you go. Keep going. Keep pedaling. Pedal hard. We're climbing a little bit of a hill. You're doing a really good job, baby. Really good job. Should we check and see if there's some new books?
Yeah.
You want to see if there's some new books in here?
Yeah.
All right.